Fiat 127 Service Manual Repair Manual 1977 to 1981 Download below. This is the complete official full service manual for the Fiat 127 series vehicles. Production model years 1977, 1978, 1979, 1980, 1981. This Fiat service manual allows you to print it out in its entirety or just the pages you need. These are the same as the Fiat service manuals used by official dealer workshops, for a fraction of the cost. They contain detailed instructions and step-by-step diagrams for all workshop procedures. Everything from rewiring to rebuilding the engine, as well as electrical diagrams, service procedures, fluid capacities, etc. These Fiat service manuals are your #1 source for repair and service information. They are specifically written for the do-it-yourselfer as well as the experienced mechanic. Using this Fiat repair manual is an inexpensive way to keep your vehicle working properly. Each Fiat service manual provides step-by-step instructions based on the complete disassembly of th machine. It is this level of detail, along with hundreds of photos and illustrations, that guide the reader through each service and repair procedure. Download below.